Hello and welcome to Crypto TV. This is Manoj Dara. So let's get started with the top headlines for the day. Cryptocurrencies edge higher on easing liquidity crunch. Bitcoin about $20,500. Celsius pays off entire Maker loan, frees $440 million of collateral. UK crypto regulations likely to delay over political vacuum. Solana Labs faces class action suit accused of violating securities law. Crema hacker returned $8 million, keeps $1.6 million in deal with Protocol. Elon Musk Boris company to accept DogeCoin as payment for loop rides. Argo Blockchain hires trader to navigate market, sells BTC to repay loan. Bitstamp cancels inactivity fees after customers' response. US restrictions officials holding crypto from policy making. Cryptocurrencies continued uptick Thursday, tracking higher US stocks as jobless claims rose amid signs that the economy is weakening. Bitcoin hovered near $20,500. Sam Bankman-Fried, head of one of the largest cryptocurrency exchanges, FTX, thinks that the worst for the liquidity crunch has likely passed. Troubled crypto lender Celsius, which halted users' withdrawals last month, reclaimed $440 million of collateral on Thursday after fully paying off a loan of Maker. The S&P 500 rose 1% while Dow Jones Industrial Average gained 0.8% in early morning on US trades. Tech-heavy Nasdaq index climbed by 1.3% higher. However, gains in cryptocurrencies were on the back over 18% drop in trading volume in the past 24 hours, indicating fatigue and lack of conviction among investors. Bitcoin's open interest across exchanges grinded higher to $12 billion compared to $11.39 billion a day earlier, data has revealed. So, cryptocurrency exchanges liquidated $77 million worth of position across currencies as investors abandoned their bearish bets on Ethereum and Bitcoin. Ethereum jumped over 5% to around $1,190 after the Ethereum developers successfully conducted the merge on the Sepolia testnet, taking the network a step further to the transaction, which is the proof of stake. Bitcoin was recently seen trading at around $20,500, up over by 1.5% in the past 24 hours. In other major altcoins too traded higher. Celsius, the crypto lender, has halted users' withdrawals last month because of the liquidity pressures, reclaimed $440 million of collateral on Thursday after fully paying a loan on Maker, one of the largest decentralized finance protocols. Data shows that a wallet linked to Celsius repaid the remaining $41.2 million of the loan in DAI, the Maker Protocol stablecoin. That's what the data is showing. That prompted the Maker Protocol to release 21,962 wrapped Bitcoin, a Bitcoin equivalent token of the Ethereum blockchain, which was pledged as a collateral of the loan. That works out to around $448 million, since wrapped Bitcoin is currently trading around $20,400. The move means a big liquidity boost for the beleaguered crypto lenders' finances. Celsius halted all customers' withdrawals and transactions on June 12th to avoid a run on deposits. UK Prime Minister Boris Johnson said he will resign Thursday after a series of ministers left his government amid a scandal over the appointment of Deputy Chief Whip Chris Pinchard. Former Chancellor of the Exchequer Rishi Sunak and Health Minister Sajid Javid were the first among the senior officials to resign on Tuesday, saying the public deserves a government to be conducted properly and with integrity. About 60 members of the government had quit by Thursday morning. Johnson said he intends to stay as Prime Minister until a replacement is chosen. The timetable will be announced next week, he said. The resignations are likely to lead the delays in crypto legislation. Bank of England Deputy Governor John Cunliffe said on Wednesday that the regulator's plans for stablecoin legislation had already been delayed by the government disarray. Key players in the Solana ecosystem have been accused of illegally profiting from Solana's blockchain's native token Sol. The accusations are part of a class action suit filed in California federal court last week by Californian resident Mark Young. The suit, termed as Sol as an unregistered security, The cornerstone of value of Sol Securities is a sum of Solana Labs and Solana Foundation. So, the management and implementation of Solana blockchain, the suit has allegedly said. It describes Sol as a highly centralized cryptocurrency that has benefited its insiders to detriment of the retail traders. Young said he bought Sol in late summer 2021, and the way Sol was created and sold meets the 3/10 of the Howey test, a US Supreme Court precedent commonly used as a barometer of whether the sale of something is security or not. The suit names Solana's lab, the Solana Foundation, Solana's Anatoly Yakovenko, crypto VC giant Multicoin Capital, Multicoin's Kyle Samani, and trading desk Falconex. The hacker who exploited Solana-based liquidity protocol Krema Finance on July 2nd returned most of the funds but was allowed to keep $1.6 million as a white hat bounty. The bounty, 45,455 Solana, in worth a generous 16.7% of the $9.6 million Crema lost initially, which forced the protocol to suspend services. As Crema's team began investigating the secret identity of the criminal, it announced that they had been negotiating with the hacker. On July 6th, the hacker returned 6,064 Ethereum and 23,967 Sol, worth roughly around $8 million. Crema's team announced on July 5th, before the deal had been reached, that it submitted new code for the auditing to ensure that the same exploit did not happen again. The Krema Protocol will be backed up by running after the audits is complete. The team will also issue a compensation plan for affected users by July 8th. Elon Musk infrastructure and tunnel construction services company, the Boring Company, said customers can pay off its Loop rides with DogeCoin. The announcement came after the company opened its first Loop station outside the Las Vegas Convention Center. Loop, the company's Las Vegas transit system, is an underground public transportation system. Though for now, the Boring Company does not charge for rides on Loop, the company has plans to cancel free rides and start charging soon. The transport system is all electric and transfers passengers from one place to the another without intermediary stops. Bitcoin miner Argo Blockchain said it hired an in-house derivatives trader to navigate the tough market conditions. The company said it sold 637 Bitcoin at an average of $24,500 to pay for an operating cost and a loan from Galaxy Digital. Crypto miners have been selling Bitcoins as their revenues have slumped along with the bear market. The firm said it has been using derivatives to limit downside risk fourth quarter 2021 and hired a full-time trader to improve its capabilities within risk and treasury management. As of the June end, London-listed Argo had $22 million of outstanding with Galaxy Digital, according to the statement. The firm signed the $30 million loan collateralized by Bitcoin in December 2021. Luxembourg-based cryptocurrency exchange Bitstamp X plans to charge an inactivity fees after a backlash from customers. CEO JB in a statement said that the exchange agreed to cancel the fees after having taken everyone's concerns on the board. The company said Friday it planned to begin charging €10 per month for those accounts with a balance of less than €200 and which has not shown any activity in the previous 12 months. So that's all there is in today's evening bulletin. This is Manoj Dara signing off, but keep watching Crypto TV for more interesting updates. Thank you.